One of the things about Tāne's journey was not just to get mātauranga as such, but to gain understanding of what was in the baskets of knowledge. E hara I te mea ka haere ki te tiki I ngā kete o te mātauranga, I haere ki te tiki I te māramatanga. E rere ke te māramatanga ki te mātauranga. Ko te nuinga noa atu o tēnā pūrākau, a Tāne e haere ki te tiki I te māramatanga. He ori te anō hoki ki te tangata o Nāia nei, e haere pēr ki te wānanga, ki te whiwhi, ki te tiki I te māramatanga. My understanding in the baskets of knowledge was all knowledge that would help them to be great custodians for the taiao. So they had to reach a point of understanding to be able to successfully do that. On each advanced stage, Tāne and the crew that went with them had to pause, they took a break, and ka noho tahi ai rātou, ka wānanga hoki rātou, tō rātou whakaeke. Nā ko tērā te wā, ka wete haere ai tō rātou haere. I roto anō hoki I tērā, ana ka kite I ngā wai whakāta hine kauorohia, heaha I he ai rātou, heaha I pai ai rātou, koera te critical thinking I ia whakaeke. And when we're talking about, say, rangi naonao ariki, rangi te wana, all these different rangi that they're called, they're actually states of mind, they're states of thinking. And so by the time they get to those stages, the pathway that they're journeying on becomes narrower and narrower until they get to a space which is called Te Aratau Whaiti, and that is a part of the pathway where only one of them could go through, which was Tāne. And so by that time, of course, the Māori that they were wanting and the kawa that they were wanting to establish had been established. And so it allowed Tāne to be successful in gaining the baskets of understanding. Mō tātou o tēnei ao, me he mea ka haere ki te kimi, te mātauranga, ki te kimi, te māramatanga, me pērā hoki te me wete haere ai tō ia whakaeke. If we use that as a framework and as a map for our journey of understanding, it definitely involves critical thinking and how to pull those things apart but put them back together again.